Okay, so those two pipes tie all the way over there to that 6-inch clean out. Basically, they've cut this sewer line from up on this far right side of the house around here, came back around right here, and I've gone over there, and that's probably about 10 feet deep, that 6-inch clean out. But all we care about is there's a section up here that has concrete sewer line, and well, we can't really see because our camera doesn't go in between this like 60-foot section. So we need to find the line somewhere around here, somewhere, wherever it is, and drill this way. Like, this is like a sheer cliff right here, and going down this area for a more direct route is not an option based off where the sewer tap is. So we have these steps. The sewer line is coming out around this side of the house, so we need to be able to tie into the sewer over here. So as you can see, there's just kind of a drop off here, so getting a machine down here might be somewhat of a pain. So if it's a possibility to drill and meet the sewer line this way, I think that's the best route. So another angle. There's the lines out there, and then we need to come up. Really, the line probably meets somewhere around here, and drill down to this area. So through this little hill area I'm standing on.